Welcome to my channel Famous Art. How are you all viewers who are watching my video? Thank you very much and love from the heart. I hope you are all well and I am fine too by the grace of Allah. Friends, there are many God-made birds in the world and there are also beautiful ones. One of which is a special bird, the parrot, which has a lot of color. He is very good at speaking and learns to speak very fast, which is why he is famous all over the world and people like him. So in today's video we will make it only with the help of color while also on top of Galaxy Note 9 with which S Pen is very high quality and these are its many benefits. Look, we are making it in front of you only with the help of colors, as if we are drawing on it in front of you. So just like watching the video, so as soon as you see it in the same pleasure and also in the comments must tell me. I have a lot of good videos to make that I will make and present to you, and subscribe to the channel so you can watch our upcoming videos